Morning. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pimple. My research topic name is a faunal study of Khadki Ghat Reservoir and their tributaries in Khadki Ghat and its surrounding area. My subject is zoology and subject coordinator Dr. R.P. Sondekar sir. My PRN number is 2015377774. Roll number is 11 and paper number is 2. And most important, under the guidance of Dr. Sheikh Firoz Illas sir, Department of Zoology, Postgraduate Research Center, Milia Arts Science and Management Science, College of B.D. And next is introduction. The birds community. The birds community evolution has become important tools in biodiversity and identifying conversations in area of high human pressure. I know that for diverse and rich bird species whose taxonomy, distribution and their general habitats characteristics are well documented in India, the birds communities have been studied fairly well in temperature and tropical forests. The understanding the diversity and structure of birds community and delineate the importance regional for avian conversations. Only a very little is known about birds community structure and their dynamic in India. Determinations of the bird's population in different habits are central to understanding the community structure. And third is survey of literatures. The major work in India as well as Maharashtra with with relations to avifauna and Khadki Ghat reservoir and their tributaries. The present studies on birds community structure of Khadki Ghat reservoir Bid district, Marathwada as this area is blessed with various natural habitats such as river, reservoir, hills, forest, grassland, reported of 64 species of birds in Salim Ali Lake, Aurangabad. The avifaunal field of guides books and Internet bird species database were used. The checklist of the bird species is presented by following guidelines of the checklist of birds. Abdul Ali 1981, Ali and Ripley 1983. The population status observed of bird species has recorded as per ACOR rating. Current status of the treated categories was deported from Birds Life International's 2000. And objective of research. First of to explore the regions, periods and environment of avifauna coming on Khadki Ghat Reservoir. Second, to the get information about the river found of Khadki Ghat Reservoir. And third is the to search for the species of avifauna on the Khadki Ghat Reservoir. Fourth is to the information about sectional avifauna of Khadki Ghat Reservoir. And fifth is the obtaining geographical information of Khadki Ghat Reservoir. Next point is methodology and tools approach. The study areas comes under the Marathwada region of Maharashtra. Field survey were conducted for a period of 2 years starting from July 2021 up to June 2023, covering all these sections. The area were surveyed using binoculars and digital camera for the proper birds and records. Direct observation and species noting was made by walking to channel of the river and reservoir tracts and reservoir areas. The observation were carried out different points around the large wetland. Birds were identified following with the avifaunal field guidebooks, clinic and internet birds database were used. The checklist of the bird species is prepared by following the guidelines of checklist of the birds. Abdul Ali 1981 all and replay 1983. The population status observed of bird species was recorded as per ACOR rating. Current status of the threatened categories was adopted from Birds Life International 2000. Next point is result and discussion. A few birds were observed at the Khadki Ghat Reservoir and the surrounding Ganesh River. These birds were found between 6 and 10 in the morning and their photos were taken. A Canon EF70 to 230 mm cameras was used to take these photos. Photos and information of the important birds can be seen briefly below. First of all, first bird is woolly necked stork. The Asian woolly neck stork or Asian woolly neck Coccinea episcopus is a species of large wading birds in the stork family. Coccomedia, its breeds single or a small loose colonies. It is distributed in a wide variety of the habitats including marshes in the forest, artificial area and freshwater wetland across Asia. Second bird is green blue heron. The great blue heron is a large wading bird in the heron family. And Aridia common near the shores of the open water in the wetland over most of North and Central America, as well as for northwestern South America, the Caribbean and the Galapagos Island. It is the found in the and is race various of Europe as an all white population found in South Africa and the Florida Keys is known as the great white heron. Debate exists about whether this represent a white color morph of the great blue heron, the species of it, or entirely separated species. And third bird is the little egret. The little egret is the species of small heron in the family of Aradia. It is the white birds with the slender black beak, long black legs, and in the western race, yellow feet. As an aquatic bird, its field is shallow water and on land. Con- uh, con- con- Consuming a variety of the small, it is the breeds commonly often with other species of water birds making the platform nest of the stick in the trees, blush or reed bed. The A clutch of the three of five blush green eggs is laid and included by the both parents for about 3 weeks. The young flags at about 6 weeks of the age. And fourth bird is the Indian spot-billed duck. The Indian spot-billed duck is a species of the large debating duck that is in non-migratory breeding duck throughout the freshwater wetland in the Indian subcontinent. The name is the divert from the red spot at the base of the bills that is found in mainland Indian population. When in water, it can be recognized from the long distance by the white ripples that from the strip on the slides in the flight it. And last bird is Rudy Shelduck. The Rudy Shelduck is known in India as the Brahmi duck. Is a member of the family Antadia. It is a distinctive water flow, 58 to 17 centimeter in length with the wing strap of the 110 to 135 centimeter. It has orange-brown body fuming with a planar head, while the tail and the fides features in the wings and are black, contrasting with the white wings cover. It is a migratory bird within Indian subcontinent and the breeding in southwestern Europe and Central Asia through their small recent population in North Africa. And last point is the reference. First is Abdullahi H. 1981 checklist of the birds of Maharashtra, B.N.H.M. Mumbai. Second, Ali S. and Ripley S.D. 1983 Handbook of the Birds of India and Pakistan, compact Thank you so much for my guide, Dr. Sheikh Firoz sir. Thank you so much.